What's up everyone, Tay here. This is going to be a quick video tour on our potential next apartment. We've been moving around a lot this past year, living at different places, but now we want to stay at one place for around 2 years. This place you're seeing in the video is one that we really like. Comment down below what you guys think. It's right near the water with an amazing view to New York City. The commute is really fast, and I can even take a boat as transportation into the city. I think that's pretty gangsta. Here we're checking out the amenities area. The first room is the gaming area or a chill lounge. It's quite spacious and honestly really nice. I think it's a great spot to have family and friends over to chill. You can see some billiard tables, and there is an outdoor area that leads to the pool and grill section. Right across the lounge is the gym, and I love that the gym is 24 hours. I definitely gotta get my fat ass back into the gym routine and get back into shape. Next, we have the yoga studio. You can put on a workout video on the huge TV. The building will also bring in some instructors for you to do free yoga classes. I'm not into yoga like that, but you never know. Now we're gonna see the 1-bedroom apartment, and it is furnished to just show an example of what it could look like. They did a really good job putting in this really nice table and lights. You can see that the kitchen is on the right side as you enter, and that the living room has enough space for a table, couch, and TV. The bedroom is to the left. They put in this huge king-size bed to show that the bedroom is pretty large. There's a decently sized walk-in closet as well for storage. Not really sure why they put in these two random t-shirts, but when you walk through the bathroom, you'll notice that it has 2 entrances. You can go from the bedroom, or you can take a left from the entrance. Now don't get all excited on the nice furnished display unit. Of course they're gonna make it look nice. So next is the same apartment, but it's empty. This one is higher up, so we have a nicer view towards the other buildings and near the water. It also has bigger windows to let natural light in, and that's really important. If you live with no sunlight, trust me, you become depressed and you turn into a zombie. It's the same exact layout as the unit we just saw, except that there's a door from the bedroom to the bathroom. They said we can remove it if we want. But that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching everyone, and comment down below what you think of the place. Maybe we'll do a moving video and a house tour in the upcoming months, but stay safe everyone, and see you guys in the next video.